This feels good morning now. Okay, now we will start the warm-up. 2, 3, inhale out, change. Inhale out, in. 2, 8, 9, and 10.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Wow!
It's a good start of the day.
Idyan, how old are you? आपको कुछ मैसेज देना है या प्लीज स्टाइल हो गए? आप कितना किलोमीटर रन करो? 5. So you practice meditation?
Yes.
Let's experience heartfulness relaxation, and then you can see the magic happen after that. Right up to your knees. Feel a relaxing energy.
He's also famous for his very well-known Vincent diet.
She's the principal of SNVP International School from nursery to grade 12. It has been made by the students of SNVP. Sanjay Bapat, illustrating Dr. Jagannath Dixit. Mr. Gautam Virare, the Executive Director, Pune Metro.
Metro coming in Wagon is a dream come true for all of us sitting here, sir.
It has already been sanctioned by state government and the proposal has gone to central government.
See you all here for this great initiative. The sponsors, Green Dwellers and Adventure IITs, they are partners for this event and for this lucky trophy. 016 supporting you. 4 साल का है विश्वजीत from SNV International.
To Heartfulness organization as well as all the organizations which are associated with this event. So I request all of you to be part of this campaign where we want to encourage a healthy lifestyle.
Such a inspiring stuff ki jahan pe father is learning from his son.
So it was such a beautiful experience. Now with that, I just want to ask you that would you like to meditate for 10-15 minutes?
Let's begin with the pose through the soles of your feet.